Okay, hi there everybody. Here doing another Riddler 99 box break. This time is for a box of 11-12 Upper Deck SP Game Used. The auction ended last night, November 8th, somewhere around 9 to 10 o'clock in the evening. It's November 9th right now, 3:59 p.m. Everybody's paid up, so I'm going to do the break. Here you see this one was for San Jose. The winner was Dope Train 2010. So if I go over my winners list here, San Jose Dope Train 2010. A couple of the other winners, we have Carolina Hurricanes, Mr. Richard 111, Montreal's Roy Fandale. And you can see the rest of them when you find your name on the list there. So we can scroll down. We're going to find the box number. It's 163232460. I'm going to pop open my webcam. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Here's the box right here. Here is the code. 163322460. Sealed box, straight from the distributor. And let's get cracking. We do this one first, then the box of Zenith that also ended last night. I opened up a fair bit of this when it first came out for myself. Had a nice game used letter from Hemsky, which is good for me because I'm an Oilers fan. Let's see what goes. I'm going to do just the hits at the end as well. No base are shipped in this, just rookies and the hits, the other hits. First card, Authentic Rookies, Colton Tubert to $6.99. Authentic Fabrics, the C in Canada it looks like, or the G in gold, sorry. Chris Pronger, that goes to Philadelphia. We have a decoy. And we have a Travis Zajac base card, not shipped. Next card. We have Authentic Rookies, Alan York, Columbus Blue Jackets. Authentic Fabrics, Alex Ovechkin, Washington Capitals. Decoy, Zetterberg. First card, Brad Richards, base. Second card, Marian Hossa, base. We have a rookie exclusives auto. Zach Cassian, Buffalo Sabres. Decoy, and Nick Lidstrom. Oh, sorry. We have a gold parallel. Thomas Fleischman, that gets shipped. We have an Authentic Fabrics of Derek Roy, Buffalo Sabres. We have a decoy. We have a Zach Parise. Authentic Rookies, Calgary Flames, Greg Nemeth. We have Authentic Fabrics, David Backes. St. Louis, by the way. Decoy. I'm a little under the weather today, guys, so if I miss something. And Michael Grabner, New York Islanders. Final pack. We have a Matt Duchene, base. We have Authentic Fabrics Dual, number to 100. St. Louis Blues, David Backes and Yaroslav Halak. We have a decoy. And Chris Pronger base. So that's the box. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break. I'm going to do a Just the Hits video momentarily here. And yeah, thanks again, everybody. Have a great weekend.